Hello everyone, my name is Della Octavia. I'm a student at Jambi University. In here, I can tell you my daily routine. First, I always wake up at 5 in the morning. I usually have breakfast at 6:30 a.m. and I go to campus with motorbike. Sometimes also use Signature Trans. Because my house is far from campus, usually 1 hour from class start, I have already go. I usually have lunch with my friends. We like changing place to eat. It's so funny. At 4 p.m. I go home, take a bath and fry. At night, I'm usually eat with my family while watching television. After that, I do a homework if there is a run. 11 at night, I'm sleep. Okay guys, that's my daily routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and maybe don't share. Bye bye.